Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card binder. First, gather your essential materials. You will need a sturdy 3-ring binder and high-quality card protector sheets. Select a binder size that comfortably fits your entire collection, whether it's for a few dozen or several hundred cards. Always choose acid-free sheets to protect your valuable cards over time, ensuring their condition for years to come. Once you have your materials, begin organizing your cards thoughtfully. Sort them into categories that make the most sense for your collection, perhaps by game, set, or even rarity. Decide on a logical order for placement within the binder, ensuring easy navigation. Using sturdy dividers can help separate different sections, making it much easier to find specific cards later on. Now it's time to insert your cards. Carefully slide one card into each pocket of the protector sheet. Be gentle to avoid bending or damaging the cards. Never overfill pockets, as this can cause wear and tear. For extra protection, consider placing each card into a soft penny sleeve before inserting it into the binder sheet. To ensure your card binder lasts, proper maintenance is key. Always store your binder upright in a cool, dry place, away from humidity. Regularly check for any signs of wear or damage to the binder itself or the sheets. Keep it away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures to prevent fading or warping of your valuable collection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.